Alright guys, so here's the giveaway video. I closed it off at 4 p.m., made it private. Thank you all so much for participating. I went ahead and copied the URL link right there. And what I was going to say was it looks like you guys did a pretty good job. 24 comments, 24 likes, so I appreciate that. Let's go ahead and try to see how this comment generator works. It looks like you all left one comment. I haven't clicked on the video, but pretty sure right here it says filter duplicate users, so that'll cancel out multiples, but I think you guys did a pretty good job. So I'm gonna click on get the comments. Maybe I have to make it unlisted. I'm trying not to cut this video so you guys know that it's legit here. I'm not sure how it's gonna work with the fact that I'm not sure what this means. Hopefully I don't have to do this. I think I have to start a trial, so I don't think this URL is going to work. That's dumb. Guess I'm gonna have to do a different one. Click button below to pick a winner. It's time to pick a winner among the 23 unique users found. So I think someone left 2 comments or something, but let's randomly pick the winner here. Eric Mitchell. 1 comment, 1 like. Love your vids, man. Keep up the great work, and thank you for the giveaway. I'm trying to become an electrician. Every tool helps. Number 2, Eric, it looks like you're the winner according to this. I will notify you, but somehow we're gonna have to connect with a message or something, so either on Instagram or I'm not sure, so maybe give me your email or whatever, however you want to do that. Please reply within like a day or 2. I don't want to make everyone else wait, but I'm gonna go ahead and pick a couple more winners just in case I can't get a hold of you, that the next person in line can win the prize. So hopefully we don't have a problem and you can get to me. So Eric, congratulations. I'm super happy for you. And number 2, I forget what number 2 is. I think it was the multi-bit screwdriver, but I will check in the description, but we'll obviously go over that. I'll make a video buying the tool and all that good stuff and shipping it out to you so everyone knows this is legit. And so I'm gonna go ahead and take a screenshot of this real quick, if I can find the right button. And then I just go over to Paint, and then click Paste. All right, so we got that. And then I'm going to click it again. And the second person will be, I'm not sure how to pronounce that, Miguel. So you'll be the second if he doesn't respond. And then if there's a third person, it will be Viva Mexico 777. All right, guys, so stay tuned, and hopefully we'll get a hold of you guys. So thank you all for the participation. Thank you for the 100,000 views. I truly just blown away. The channel's blowing up right now in a little way, but it means so much to me. 100,000 views, and in the last few days it's got another 8,000 views, and it's just going really well. I appreciate all the views and likes. You guys mean the world to me. You guys make me feel special, even though I'm just an average human being. So thank you guys, I appreciate it. God bless each and every one of you. It's technically Sunday, it's 2 in the morning, so I figure while I heat up a lasagna, I might as well do this video. So I'm just watching some Kimmy Schmidt here on no, I was gonna say YouTube, but it's actually Netflix. So anyways, guys, hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you for all participating, and I hope to do many more giveaways in the future. Thank you for the support, guys. God bless. I will see you maybe, well, this is today's video, so probably not the rest of today, but depending on if my back continues to hurt a super lot, I can barely move. Today it got worse. Yesterday, Friday, it felt fine, but I slept on it wrong or something, and I could barely walk today. So if it continues to hurt, I probably won't go to work on Monday. So That's just how it is. So definitely be praying for me, and hopefully my back can get better so I don't have to miss any more work. I don't like missing work, but it is what it is. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Thank you all so much. Peace out.